The project which I'd like to present is a guitar tuner, which part is LPC Cortex M0 microcontroller. At the beginning, let's see the code of program, use peripherals, and working algorithm. What I used from parts of this controller are 32 bits timers to trigger AD converter interrupt and sampling signal. The second timer is used to generate sound of proper frequency as an example. Input-output ports as a user interface. And AD converter to get some information about signal. Let's focus on this part, which is implementation of very simple Getzer algorithm used to recognize the amplitude of chosen frequency component. It works in real time without need to store the samples in memory. I use printf function to show the difference between the recognized frequency of signal generated from computer. You can see that value connected with frequency of signal is much higher than another ones. This example shows how device works. Let's see how it works in reality. The first feature which I'd like to show you is string recognition. The recognized string is represented by one shining diode. This simple mode can be used to choose string for tuning automatically. The second feature, the most important, is tuning. You can use the manual mode to choose the string for tuning. If string is tuned proper, the two middle diodes shine. If the main frequency of string is too high or too low, diodes on the left or on the right side, depends of that if frequency is too high or too low, shines. Now we can see the process of tuning. The last additional feature is generating by device example of sound with a proper frequency, which is depends as a main frequency of chosen string. You can hear the example of sound, of proper sound of string. Thank you for watching this video.